Hi everyone. I've been suggesting my young friends to sketch daily. So that has been one suggestion I give all of them who are started drawing, especially during this lockdown time. So I told them to draw some live sketches and everything. But this time I want to show them something like a rough sketch of an idea. Maybe this was drawn during no smoking day, I guess. So I wanted to draw an idea and later how we can develop it into a good painting. So as you can see, this is a very old, very rough sketch, but it has some textures and everything. And let's see how we can turn it into a good painting. Welcome everyone to this channel. Many of you are new here, I guess. So please like, share, and subscribe. We'll be showing a lot of new ideas on arts and painting. So friends, let's see how this very rough sketch, actually this got separated from that sketchbook. You can see the color of the paper itself, it's very old, and now how I turned that into a painting. So this painting has very good textures, and you can see how all the rough sketch ideas have been converted into the painting. You can see how the texture of fossil or rock, then ice, the mud or the soil, all those things have been captured and converted into a kind of abstract, but which abstract painting, which gives some good idea. This is acrylic drawn acrylic painting on canvas board. So this is one reason why I keep on telling our friends to sketch daily, not only what they see or draw from pictures or videos or things, but to sketch even some good ideas, so that whenever you get time, you can convert those ideas into very good painting. So you can see how small that sketch is. So don't worry about sketching very good details or everything, but try to bringing the textures or shadows or shading, all the steps into the sketch, so that later on when you paint, you can give the proper texture and ideas into it. So this idea is for no smoking day. It's kind of a man who is fossilized, but shown in an abstract way. So even though he is hungry, his stomach is hollow, as you can see, still his urge is to smoke. So that idea has been put into an acrylic painting, but initially it was just a very rough sketch in an old paper. So use these techniques, guys. Sketch daily, improve your skills. So that's main learning from here, so that you can convert them into very good paintings later on. So thanks for watching. So wait for new videos. Thank you everyone. Bye.